What is going on, you guys? I am back with another video. I am coming to y'all today just doing a cleanup time. Fit to clean my kitchen, put this pantry in order because, honey, this pantry was a mess. But before we get all into this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Also, put your notifications on so you can know when I put up my next video. Also, give this video a thumbs up. So, yeah, y'all fit to clean with me today because I'm going to clean my kitchen up. And like I say, get this pantry in order. So far, my husband tried to get a little bit of it together, but most of this junk fit to go in the trash. You hear me? Most of this is fit to go in the trash. So y'all don't even want to see how this kitchen look. It's a mess. But anywho, so yeah, let me go ahead and start trying to get this in order. Okay, so far, this is how the cabinet is looking. I'm gonna go to the store and find some containers for those snacks right there. As you see, most of everything went to trash. So, you know what that means. I have to go to the grocery store and stack back up on things that I need, like rice, sugar. I have to keep sugar because y'all see I just refilled my container. So, rice, sugar, flour, oil, all other little different things like knick-knack stuff. But so far, this is how it's looking. So it ain't perfect. I ain't no organizer, but this gonna do for me compared to how my pantry was looking at first. So yeah, I'm about to get ready to try to go to the store, put some clothes on or something because it is very ugly outside. It's a rainy day on my off day. That's the best part about it because I'm like, dang, it was just pretty and The sun was out all that yesterday when I was working. Not today. It's so nasty looking, ugly, gloomy, to where you just want to lay in the bed, sleep. But I was like, you know, I'm going to go ahead and just get my kitchen in order because I ain't got nothing else to do. So, yeah, I'm about to get ready to go to the store. I'll probably go to Burlington or Ross, somewhere like that. Because I ain't trying to spend a lot of money getting no damn containers. I'm not that type of person. Y'all already know that. So, yeah. Let me go and get myself together, and I'll catch y'all back in a minute. This, y'all. This is how ugly it is out here today. Like, I'm really trying to debate, do I really want to just go to the store? Because I really don't like driving in rain. And it's just so gloomy. It is just so gloomy and ugly. Oh, my gosh. Like, I'll probably just get back in my bed. Who knows with me, though. But, yeah, this is how it's looking here in Houston. Ugly. And then yesterday, it was pretty, sunny, and I get the ugly day on my off day. Oh my gosh. I know my lips kind of probably dry. I haven't put no lotion on my face. I haven't put no lip gloss on. This is how I'm looking today. I'm looking very rough, and I don't care because this weather make you feel and look like this. So, yeah. Oh, and then, you know, I was going to come back with y'all with my try-on haul. Why Shein sent me a email talking about they have a delay on my shipping? What? So now I gotta wait till they give me an update on my shipping because they say it's a delay. So whenever that do come, y'all, I will promise I will give y'all the try on haul from them because I did tell y'all I had some stuff coming from them, but my stuff from Fashion Nova did come. But I don't know if I'm gonna try that stuff. I might just show y'all how it look or whatever. So yeah, I might try it on, I might not. I don't know yet. But anywho, so yeah, I'm finna debate if I'm supposed to go to the store or not, or just get back in my bed. So yeah, I'll catch y'all back in a minute. So apparently I'm gonna head and go to the store because it's not raining too bad. Yeah, I'm gonna just go get what I gotta get, bring my ass back home. So I ain't gotta be in that weather because it's just something about when it rains. I don't know. It's just something about it. But yeah. So I put a little lotion on my face because y'all, my face is so dry. And I need to clean my face because y'all, I suffer from bad acne. I need to start going to get my face clean. Like, I need to start getting facials done. So yeah, I have to put me a little bit of gloss on my lips because these babies were dry too. All white. So yeah, just got my little hat on. I did get this hat from Five Below. And I will catch y'all whichever store I go to. Hopefully I'll find something. If not, I'm not tripping about it. I don't care. So hopefully I'll find some cute containers. There's not too much though, hopefully. But anywho, so I'll catch y'all back in a minute. So apparently we are in Walmart, as you see. Out of all the places, I come to Walmart to find some doggone organizer containers. Like, look at that. That is $24 just for 3. Some told me to go to my other stores, but oh well, anywho. So yeah, hopefully I can find something for a good price because that $24, Now this is $18, this right here, but only it's a 3-pack also. Let me keep looking, guys. Let me keep looking. Hopefully. I don't understand it. It is like, because Walmart, don't get me wrong, Walmart has everything you need in here. They have everything you need. But once you get the ad and constantly putting stuff in your basket, you think you can come out here spending $20? You're not. You're going to come out here spending maybe $50 or $100. Like, girl, I just, no. I do not. Walmart will get you in trouble. Walmart will get you in trouble. I'm gonna let you know that now. But let me see. If I go down this aisle. But yeah, let me look around and see what all they really have. Hopefully, like I said, I can find something in my price range because I'm not trying to go broke in Walmart. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to go broke in here. I'm not about to do it. So yeah. They have some new silverwares. I do need some new ones. I need some new ones, and I need the
organizer part.
So I just made it back home, y'all. I ended up just getting this and a table so I can eat on when I be in the living room or whatever. Cause I really didn't see too much nothing up in Walmart. Like, and I was not about to pay $24 for them containers that I seen. I'm sorry, I was not about to do that. And I know I can go somewhere else and get it for a better price. Y'all might think I'm cheap, but oh well. Yeah, I wasn't about to pay that much. And then on top of that, they just didn't have a lot anyway, so I wasn't tripping. I could have went to another store or whatever, but literally that rain came out of nowhere. Like it just started pouring down. I was like, oh my gosh. So I'm like, you know what? I'm taking my ass home, getting my bed, cause this is a Netflix chill day. Nothing to do. Not the type of day to be in the streets like that. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna chill, get in my bed, relax, edit this video, and that's pretty much it. Cause I'm not doing nothing else. I'm not doing nothing else. So yeah. So this really came in handy for me right now until I actually find some more little stuff. And then came home, started taking other things down because my other little area, I had like my air fryer there. I know y'all kind of seen it when I was cleaning up, but I had an air fryer right there. I had my toast, all kind of little stuff like that. So I moved all that. We put that in the cabinet. And now I gotta find some decorations to go in that area. And then I have some rugs, but they're not rugs. They like little mats for my plates. So I took them off my bar, and I don't know what I'm gonna do now. I'll probably find me some new ones or wash them or something. I don't know. I feel it depends how they look when I finish washing them. So yeah. That's pretty much it for today, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed this small clip video that I did for y'all because I didn't do too much. So yeah, but anywho, I will catch y'all on my next video because I did tell y'all that I'm gonna do my Fashion Nova try on thing. But like I said, I might try the clothes on and show y'all how I look, or I'm just gonna show y'all what I got, show y'all the prices, you know how I do it. But anywho, yeah. So I will catch y'all on my next video. So make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch y'all later.